Hey friends, so in this video I will teach you how to change colors like a pro in Adobe Photoshop with hue and saturation tool, or you can say hue and saturation feature. So you can see I have opened one image in my Adobe Photoshop. So first we will see like the objects that we want to change the color. Like I want to change the color of these three balls. So we can select with any selection tool. You can see on the left side there are a lot of selection tools, but I will select quick selection tool, and you can decrease or increase the size of the tool from the curly brackets. You can see with the P key in your keyboard, like from the left curly bracket you can decrease the size, and from the right curly bracket you can increase the size of the tool. So once you are satisfied with the tool size, so you can select the object, just click like I clicked, and you can see the object is selected. Same here. So once you have selected the objects, now press Ctrl plus J on your keyboard and it will make a duplicate layer. See, now these are, you can see if I hide the main, so you can see this is now, this one we created just duplicate layer. Now to this layer you can apply from the adjustment panel hue saturation. You can see here in the second row from the left side, hue saturation, and make sure to select this option. This adjustment affects all layers below. So the below layer that we created, duplicate layer. So you can enable this option. Now it will only apply to these three balls that we created duplicate layer. So if I decrease the hue, you can see like minus 65, minus 75 as you wish. We can also control saturation. You can see saturation will apply more, realistic in the colors, and you can also control this one if you want. And see. So see how it's look, and how amazingly we have changed the colors of these three balls. So if I close this and if I hide this layer, so you can see first the color was green and now we have changed it to this color. So I hope you have seen the balls with these colors. So you can control, you can modify, you can change the colors like a pro in Adobe Photoshop with this hue and saturation option. So thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share the video with your friends so they can learn Adobe Photoshop and other lot of AI tools and other, informative videos, educational videos, and they can increase their professional skills. Thank you so much once again.